Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're looking at number 220 mag tree today. And it's a double deep nuke. We're going to go in there and see what they're doing. Give me something I can sit on back here. We'll get there in a minute, people. This is hive number 220 magnolia tree. It says the last time we was in here was on 9/14, so it's been a while. We're going to mark it over here right now. 10/20. Take the top off here. Take your feeder rim off. Feeder off. Had two little dead beetles in there. Don't see any on the bottom. Before we get much farther, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this box off here, and I'm gonna put it over here so I can set the camera, and we'll have it set one time. How about that? Yep. Okay. This one right here is the main. This one over here with the top. And it may be a little crooked. Okay, let's look at the top first here. Pretty good bunch of bees in here from the looks of it. Take this one off. Out. We want the brood up on the top of this one too. Novembers aren't like they used to be. Here has some brood. No, it ain't. It's got a little honey and some nectar. Okay. We're just going to take them out one at a time. Take a little propolis off here. Here has some nectar. We have nectar on that side. A little honey. And a yellow queen. Yellow queen right here. She's already up on the top box. She knows it's gonna get cold. Here, nectar. Little bird, larvae. Eggs. She's already up on the top. This one has eggs, larvae, brood, and stores. That's nice rain. See what we have in the bottom. This one has brood, nectar. Not looking for eggs now. Looking a little frame. You know we have eggs in the top. You know we got a queen in the top. We have stores in the top. And some of this propel's stuck in here real good. We're going to put it back there. Yeah, that other video I did from that east fence was supposed to be a short video. Wound up being 43 minutes long. But we did a lot of stuff on that one. And in that one, I started talking. People give me comments, and a lot of times I can't answer them the way I'd like to answer them. But my finger gets tired, and I'll answer it in a video. I usually answer something to people. And then in the video I'll explain some stuff like with the entrances, robbing, string wire I put on the top. Some people don't like it because it's got a gap in it, but it's hard to get that wire straight. This one here doesn't have much on it, but it has a lot of drone brood cells. Nothing in them, but we got it. These little bees over here that we just did on 69. Got little worker bees coming in with pollen, and they're trying to figure out where to put it. See, and things have changed. But they'll figure it out. This one here. Has a little nectar, a little pollen. So they're doing right. They're doing like they're supposed to do. The bottom looks good. Looks like there's a little robbing going on over here, but with that small entrance. And this time of the year you go and start pulling frames out honey on that stuff. It's going to cause robbing. It has a little brood on it. Seems like the queen, she's laying brood here, and she went upstairs. And I'm oxalic acid today or tomorrow to get rid of mites, because you need to get rid of the mites. Here has little broods on it, little stores. You need to get rid of the mites this time of the year, because you don't want to go into deep cold. Well, started doing it in August, but right here, beginning of November, we need to do it again. Make sure we got all the mites out of here, because if you don't, your bees may not make it through winter. Because they'll get sick. They'll get viruses from the beetles. I mean the wax moths. Not wax moths, some other things. Mites. This one here has pollen, little stores, no bugs. Just a little high. Don't have much pollen. This one here, gonna have some stores in it. No bugs. Bottom still looks good. Put them back in there. I didn't show you that one because I forgot to, and there was nothing on it anyway. So they have room. They have the brood at the top. We're going to give some pollen. Give them some food. You know, in the wintertime, people say, "Oh, cold will kill my bees." Cold won't kill the bees. Wet cold will kill the bees. Mites will kill them. Too many beetles will run them out of the hive, and that will kill them. Pollen down here for them. Pick this one back up with the queenie on it. We'll reset the camera. There we go. Piling up here. The other thing that will kill the bees in the wintertime is running out of food. Same thing it'll do to people if they don't. They're not careful. Your feed dish here. There. Put their cover back on. Put down here. Okay. Flip that over. There we go. Get off of there, bees. Yep, I overfilled it. Okay, and that's about it. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, tell people about us. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, great week coming up. Be careful out there. This is Sam saying bye.